Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sri Julaiati, salah satu dosen dari program studi pendidikan akuntansi Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya ditunjuk sebagai pembimbing 1 atas nama mahasiswa Hafsyah Ranita. Judul skripsi adalah pengaruh pemberian beasiswa bidik misi, kemandirian belajar, dan lingkungan teman sebaya terhadap prestasi belajar mahasiswa penerima bidik misi UNJ.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I respect Mrs. Sri Zulaihati MSI as the first supervisor and Mrs. Dwi Kismayanti SPDMAK as the second supervisor. Introducing my name, Hafsyah Ranita, Accounting Education Student 2019. I will present proposal seminar entitled The Effect on the Bidik Misi Scholarship Program, Learning Independent and Peer Community on the Learning Achievement of Bidik Misi Student, Survey on Undergrad Accounting and Accounting Education Student, Generation 2019 to 2022 at the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Research background: quote from the BPS website, the percentage of poor people in September 2022 amount to 26.36 million people, an increase of 0.03% from March 2022, with an increase of 0.20 million people. This condition make people prioritize work rather than continue their education to college after graduate for high school. Based on data, the gross participation rate in 2019, there are 276 universities spread across DKI Jakarta. Bidik Misi Scholarship is one of the scholarships from the government with a policy to provide continuity to students who have the potential to excel but economic background is less adequate. University of Jakarta is one of the public university that has distributed Bidik Misi Scholarship under the auspice of the Ministry of Research Technology and Higher Education since 2010 to currently. Based on data from the Vice Chancellor for Student Affairs and alumni of University of Jakarta in the undergrad accounting and accounting education study program, there has been an increase in the number of students enrolled in the Bidik Misi Scholar program from 2019 to 2020. But on data obtained from the Vice Chancellor for Student Affairs and alumni of University of Jakarta, Bidik Misi student in the undergrad accounting and accounting education study program in the 2019 batch have a low PPA of the 3 batch after that. This is of concern to researchers to explore the effect of Bidik Misi scholarship on the learning achievement of Bidik Misi recipient student in the undergrad accounting and accounting education study program for the past 4 years. Can be influenced by 2 factors, is internal and external factor. Learning independence is one of the internal factors that can affect student learning achievement. According to Winata et al. 2021, someone who has learning independence means that he has his own desire to learn, motivates himself to learn, is able to solve his learning problem, and is responsible for completing his learning obligation until the end. The peer environment can affect the high and low of student in achievement. According to Latifa et al. 2021 and Octariani, there are a group of individuals with the same level of maturity, degree, and age. Where is their daily life student always interaction together, which will have an effect on their learning process. With this broad background, it attracts the attention of researchers to conduct future research related to the effect of the Bidik Misi Scholar Program, Learning Independent, and the community on the learning achievement of Bidik Misi students. Survey on undergraduate accounting and accounting education student generation 2019 to 2022 at the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Problem formulation: does the provision of Bidik Misi scholarship affect the learning achievement of Bidik Misi student? Does learning independent affect the learning achievement of Bidik Misi student? Does the peer community affect the learning of achievement of Bidik Misi student? And does the provision of Bidik Misi scholarship, learning independent, and peer community affect the learning achievement of Bidik Misi student? This objective to find out the effect of providing Bidik Misi scholarship on the learning achievement of Bidik Misi research students, to determine the effect of learning independent on the learning achievement of Bidik Misi students, to find out the community effect the learning achievement of Bidik Misi students, and to determine the provision of Bidik Misi scholarship, learning independent, and community on the learning achievement of Bidik Misi students. Research benefit: in theoretical, this research is expected to be a reference and source of information for those in need within the scope of the State University of Jakarta or the Faculty of Economics. In practical, as an input into the research insight and as a research reference material and contribution of idea for other researchers. research novelty. Similar research has been done before, and the basis of this research comes from previous research referenced by 8 other independent variables. Supporting theory, variable Y, learning achievement. Supporting theory, variable Y, learning achievement. Learning outcome are something that a person gets after going through a learning process which is characterized by an achievement related to increase his ability. In line with the opinion of Nugroho, 2018, who say that learning achievement is the result of the person's efforts is mastering learning carried out in the form of mastering material skill and attitude. Supporting theory X1 BDKC scholarship program is government scholarship program for students who have good academic potential but don't have the fund to continue their education to higher education. According Amarwati and Akanita 2020, the BDKC scholarship has the aim of realizing student dream of change the economic condition of their life and their family in the future through education. And support theory X2, learning independent, is an active and constructive learning activity that is driven by an individual own desire to master self-competence is in solving a problem. Supporting theory X3 per community, according to Salvin in Asmara et al. 2021, the pair community is defined as gathering by for people with variants similar in age, social status, hobby, true behavior, and have a sense of dependence on each other. Okay, here are some profile studies that are relevant. The research that will be studied at this time by researchers and theoretical review. The effect of the BDKC scholarship program on the learning achievement of BDKC students. According to Fadri, in Goa, scholarship in the form of allowance given to students and student as tuition assistance apply to all Indonesian citizens who have difficulty in financing education. The purpose of providing scholarship is useful for providing learning opportunity and increasing educational equity for students in various regions. And theoretical review. According to Ms. Dalina, a student who have learning independent with good time management skill will be successful in learning and have increased achievement that student who like learning independent. In line with the opinion of Ashlamia et al. 2019, which state that if you have good independent student will be responsible for their learning activity so that it will affect the improvement of learning achievement. And next, theoretical review the effect of the pair community on the learning achievement of BDKC student. According to Santro, pair have an important function in providing information and comparison about the world outside the family. This is reinforced by the theory of Fabriarto in Zulfa, which suggests the function of pair to help run to culture of society, teach social mobility, and learning social role. And Salmato in Kairilna suggests that the influence of enter a person's pastor that expect this influence can have a positive or negative impact on the individual. Okay. Based on the theoretical review, Professor will describe a hypothesis as formula. H1, the effect BDKC scholarship program on learning achievement of BDKC student. H2, the effect learning independent on learning achievement of BDKC student. And H3, the effect per community on learning achievement of BDKC student. And H4, the effect BDKC scholarship, learning independent, and per community on learning achievement of BDKC student. Okay, next, chapter 3. This research was conducted at the State University of Jakarta. Its location at Street Rawamangun Mukaraya, number 11, is Jakarta City, with the research implementation which start from December 2022 until complete. And this research used the descriptive quantitative approach with a survey method to make it easier for research to analyze data. Okay, next, chapter 3. This research was conducted at the State University of Jakarta. Its location at Street Rawamangun Mukaraya, number 11, is Jakarta City, with the research implementation time start from December 2022 until complete. And this research used a descriptive quantitative approach with a survey method. And the population to be taken by researchers is BDKC research student in the 2019 to 2022 undergraduate accounting education study program in the Faculty of Economics at State University of Jakarta. As many as 152 students with the sampling technique being the probability sampling technique started via random sampling model of 105 sample obtained based on the ISAP and Mikhail table. Next, research instrument, learning achievement. In conceptual definition, learning achievement is the result of effort from learning achievement carried out by a person repeatedly to increase knowledge and self-ability, which is usually expressed in the form of value in the form of number, symbol or percentage. In operational definition, learning achievement is the result of the learning process that a person has done and can be measured through cognitive, affective, and physicomotor aspects. And in this study, student learning achievement is measured based on cognitive aspects, which are marked by an achievement of Gasal's method IP and research instrument bidik misi scholarship program. In conceptual definition is a tuition assistance from the government for prospective student or student who have good academic achievement but have economic limits in continue their education to higher education in the form of extension from KTV and provision of monthly living expense. In operational definition, bidik misi scholarship containing indicator is bidik misi scholarship procedure and recruitment, bidik misi scholarship objective, bidik misi recipient right and obligation, and bidik misi scholarship allocation. Okay, following is the instrument logic in the preparation of the question 9. Next, research instrument learning independent. In conceptual definition is an independent attitude from within a person when carrying out a learning process that lasts for a long time on their own wish without encouragement from others with the aim of gaining self-competence is solving a problem. In operational definition, learning independent is measured using a questionnaire given to respondent with several statement items with a Likert scale to measure attitudes, responsibility and confidence, initiative and creative, able to control themselves, and have learning target and goals. And this following is the instrument in the preparation of the questionnaire. Research instrument per community in conceptual definition is a group consisting of several individuals with similar age and social status who can depend on each other and have an impact on the behavior of this individual, both positive and negative. In operational definition, the peer community, which include social interaction carried out, individual involvement in their environment, their support, desire to imitate and adjust, and competition in the group. And following is the instrument in the preparation of the questionnaire. So, instrument test is first validation to measure the level of validation of the study. For the instrument, decided to be valid is the variable can be measured accurately without deviating from the actual situation. The researchers use the present product moment correlation formula to measure the correlation between the score of each item with the overall total score, and reliability test to measure the level of accuracy and consistency of each instrument item that has been declared valid. The reliability test is carried out as well for all statement item in the questionnaire to be studied on the basis on this size, making use the Cronbach alpha formula. And prerequisite test analysis, the first normality test to find out whether each variable is normality distribute or not as a hypothesis prerequisite test. The normality test is carried out by look at the normal probability plot which compares the cumulative distribution of the actual data with the cumulative distribution of the normal distribution data. A linearity test to determine whether or not there is a linear relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. Linearity testing can be seen through the signification columns in the deviation from linearity row in the ANOVA table. And this is hypothesis test. First, multiple linear regression analysis to test the relationship of one dependent variable with two or more independent variables. And partial test or t-test to determine whether each independent variable partially has a significant effect on the dependent variable. And simultan test or f-test to find out whether each independent variable simultan has a significant effect on the dependent variable by comparing the f-count value with f-table. And last, coefficient of determination adjust R2 to see the percentage of the influence of all independent variable on the dependent variable. Okay, that's so many proposal seminar that I convey. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.